Hello everyone, welcome to SCORM Integration with Node.js part 4. Now we will implement SCORM using Node.js. First we will start by running the command npm init to initialize our project. This will quickly set up our package.json file. Now let's install the required packages. After that we will move on to setting up our folder structure. We will create a public folder for static files, a routes folder for handling the API routes, and uploads folder where we will store the zip files after they are uploaded. After setting up our folder structure, we will create a server.js file in the root directory. This file will be the core entry point of our application where we initialize the server and configure our routes. It's where everything comes together to run our Node.js application. Next, we will create an index.html file in the public folder. This will act as a front-end interface for uploading SCORM course files. The form allows users to browse and select a SCORM package in zip format, which is then sent to our upload route using a post request. The form ensures that only zip files can be selected, making it user-friendly and error-proof. Once the user clicks upload, the selected file is sent to our backend, where it will be processed and stored in our uploads folder for further use. This will make it easy for users to upload SCORM content into the system, which we will handle in the next step. If this is helpful for you, please like and comment and subscribe for part 5.